Hello and welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, we will show you how to calculate win percentage in Excel, which is a useful skill for analyzing your performance in games, sports, or any other competitive activities. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. To apply this formula in Excel, follow these steps. In cell D1, type win percentage as the header for the new column. In cell D2, type equal B2/B2 plus C2 is the formula for win percentage. This will divide the total games and give you a decimal value. To copy this formula to the rest of the cells in column D, click and drag the fill handle at the bottom right corner of cell D2 down to cell D5. This will automatically adjust the formula for each row and calculate the win percentage for each player. To format the values in column D as percentages, click the number format drop-down menu in the number group on the Home tab and click percentage. This will multiply the values by 100 and add a % sign. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.